Well, here we go. Another use for the pocket knives. That's right. You're out fishing, you've been out on the boat, you got your beer. Of course, you got a good beer. And you might as well drink good beer if you're going to drink beer. But I forgot a church key. You know, the bottle opener? That's what we call a church key. I'm not sure why, but it's just what we call it. But since I don't have one of those, then I just take a firm grip on the top of the bottle like that. Take the pocket knife, stick it under there. Off comes the lid, just like that. Another use for a pocket knife. Just one of the reasons that it's an invaluable tool. That's right. You can have a beer and stay cool and hydrated while you're fishing. Well, you fix one part of a car and another part breaks. It just seems to be the way it is. The Caprice is, you know, I just got done redoing the valve cover gaskets and the exhaust manifold gaskets. And what happens? Tailpipe falls off. So, let's take a look underneath. See what we've got. Look at that. Pipe's hanging down. Looks like we got muffler issues. Well, fortunately my neighbor Denny has told me I can use his garage again. So I'm gonna back the old black beast into the shop and jack it up and see what we got to do to fix it. Alright, here we go. This end looks pretty good. Like it just slid on there. This end, however, looks like somebody did just a bang up job of welding that thing on there and it just didn't do nothing. So, I guess it's time to just pull it apart and see what we can figure out. Okay, you see the pipe there going up over the axle is just caught on the ground and been bent back under, so we're just going to have to cut it out of the way because it's not going to work. So I'm going to have to replace the muffler, it looks like, as well. So I'm going to cut it out of there, put a new muffler on, and then I'm going to take it to the muffler shop and have them add pipe. I think that sounds like a good idea. Go. Now I can get the twisted pipe out of the way. Oh, that's not very pretty. Well, that muffler's pretty much gone. Well, I guess I got to cut that off. I'll pull those bolts off of there, off that clamp, and that'll drop the clamp loose, and then I'll be able to get the muffler loose, I reckon. Okay, I got all the excess pipe cut off of this thing. You can see it's just got that tip left on the hanger there. That won't drag, and I pulled these off of here. I can get it down to the muffler shop like this, because Couldn't drive it the way it was. Check out this old muffler though. I mean, look at that. It's all rusted out. That's terminal. This muffler's done. Look at the clamp that was holding it up. Fortunate that didn't fall off. So I'm kind of curious. How's this thing sound without a muffler? Let's find out. Well, I'm gonna fix it. But first I gotta go get the parts. How about I plug this saw in? Makes more noise when you plug it in.